Hi, hello. Witajcie moi drodzy. Strona 180 naszego repetytorium ósmoklasisty wydawnictwa Express Publishing. Pierwsze zadanie to znajomość środków językowych i transformacje ze słowem kluczem. Oczywiście mamy tutaj z boku wyraz podany. Co najwyżej 3 słowa należy wstawić w tą lukę, którą widać. So, the roads were closed because of all the mud and pouring rain. Mamy podane słowo due, ono jest w wyrażeniu due to, czyli z powodu i tak właśnie tu będzie w luce. The roads were closed due to the mud and pouring rain. You're not allowed to enter certain areas at the safari park. Mamy właśnie tutaj dwie możliwości. You cannot go wherever you want, albo you cannot go wherever you like at the safari park. Trzecim, in a desert, temperatures can reach 52 degrees Celsius. In a desert, temperatures can get as high as 52 degrees Celsius. I w ostatnim, there's a lot of sun on this side, which is why I decided to plant tomatoes here. I decided to plant tomatoes on this side, z powodu oczywiście, because there's a lot of sun here. Jak coś pamiętajcie, lokujecie w przestrzeni, to powinno być to wyrażenie there is albo there are. Tutaj będzie there is, bo jest dużo światła słonecznego, czyli dużo, trzecia osoba liczby, czyli dużo dotyczy tego czegoś onego, czyli w tym przypadku światła. Ok, zadanie z lukami. Mamy tutaj 2 teksty do przeczytania. Mam nadzieję, że je przeczytaliście. Ja przeczytam może szybciutko, tylko ten drugi. Dear club members, this is a friendly reminder about our trip to Eagle Valley on Saturday. We are going to explore the new green trail on Sandy Mountain and go as far as the Lookout Peak picnic area. The hike will take 5 hours altogether. It's 3 kilometers each way, and we will be walking up a gentle slope that we can climb nice and gently. As always, wear comfortable clothes that are suitable for the weather, and bring water and sunscreen. Friends are welcome too, of course, even 4-legged and furry ones. Just please reply to this message by tomorrow at 6 p.m. if you are coming, and include the names of any guests, because I'm organizing everyone into small groups for an activity. See the attached flyer. I'll send an email on Friday with a list of teams, and there's this note. This trip will not be cancelled due to rain. We're hiking, rain or shine. Yours truly, Guide Reading. I mamy taki krótki tekst. Do you have any plans for Saturday? My hiking club is going to try out a new trail. It's on Sandy Mountains. We will walk until we reach the picnic area albo this Lookout Peak. Jedno albo drugie, jeśli wpisaliście, to jest oczywiście dobrze. Would you like to come with us? It's only about 6 kilometers long trip, so it won't be too difficult. Pets. I tutaj było o zwierzakach, że są dozwolone, więc właśnie coś takiego napiszemy. Pets are allowed albo pets are welcome, czyli są mile widziane. I w następnym fragmencie can you let me know later today? I think it will be fun day. There is even a special activity where we look for things as we walk. Okay. And that's basically it on that page. See you soon. Bye-bye.